Alrighty, good morning. We're back at the shed, and for the last week and a half I've been finishing off the battens and fixing a few things up. So I've just had to go through and just fix up some of the battens, and these uprights here weren't perfectly straight, so I couldn't actually even get the bolt holes to line up, so I had to loosen all that off both ends of the shed and plumb them up properly. And just small things, not small things, but like there's 25 mil out just on the end batten, so you can see at the top there, the screw holes there as well. So that one there was 50 mil out. Just silly stuff that I think they were just, anyway, I've had to go through and by myself, obviously it takes a lot longer than a crew of 8. So I've had to do some rectification on that. But anyway, the ends are good now, the battens are good. The next problem is that the cross braces weren't put in. So what's happening now is that the apex is sitting down a little bit further, which is pushing the two tops of the post out all the way along. The end ones aren't too bad. It's just those middle 4 either sides. It's not the most conventional way to do it, but this is what I've done. Excavator on the slab, the Z purlin just sitting on top of the bucket there. But that was my prop, pretty much my jack, acro prop, whatever you want to call it. And I've had to bolt it, or basically tech screw it to 2 plates at the top underneath, so it just hung there. And then I've just put the blade underneath that and then lifted it up. You could do the same with like a bottle jack or even like a trolley jack, but I've got a mobile one, so. And then I put a strap, 2 tie down ratchet straps, 2.5 tonners, just to keep the tops together to help push up the middle. But anyway, that worked pretty good, just about 2 hours. So I've got to undo all this and then move it over to the next one and repeat the whole process. That's cool. That's awesome. Love that thing. Everybody that has one obviously knows this already, but they're so cool. That's awesome. Spirits are slowly lifting. It's really bright without my sunglasses on, so I'm gonna get back to work. Well, see, it doesn't take that long at all in hyperlapse. Nah, jokes aside, that's about a week and a half worth of work. Not just the knee braces, but correcting all those battens, those uprights, and then re-leveling those frames. Just because I'm by myself, it just takes so much longer to do than if I had like 2 or 3 extra people, or the crew that came in to do it. Anyway, all that aside, I'm back to square one now. So now I can start doing the roof purlins, getting all them bolted on, because we're supposed to be getting this sheeted. I've got a good mate, Neil Moy from Moy's Plumbing in Kalula Cove. Shout out to Neil. I should be wearing your hat, but it's slightly too small. But he's coming down to give me a hand to sheet it all. Any plumbing needs, get on to him if you're in that area. He's a bloody legend. So I need to get all these battens on, all these roof Z purlins on before he comes down, and I think it's raining this weekend, so I've only got like a short amount of time to get it done. Welcome to Twisted Metal Customs. And I'm about to go home. I am drenched. And yeah, see shed. And as expected, plans don't always work out. And for me, the shed seems to be one of those ones that every hurdle that can happen will happen, but it is happening slowly. I'm not actually sweeping the water off, it's just using the water to clean the slab, so it gives me a chance to get the slab prepped for paint when we get to that stage. Just trying to do what I can in the rain. Alright, huge morning this morning. We have all the stuff ready to start sheeting this shed, so pretty keen to get this thing done over today and tomorrow. Got a scissor lift, everything's ready to go. Yeah, I'll see you when I get there. I thought I'd just give you a quick update on this wall sheeting. As you can see, today I'm by myself, like most other days. I had a bit of help yesterday, thank you, but today, yeah, by myself. These are actually getting pretty long. They're over 6 meters now, these sheets, and there is a breeze, you can see by the trees. It's a lovely breeze, I must say, but it's sort of bittersweet because, you know, once I get to that 6 meter mark, I'm only, you know, 180. That's only a third of that sheet. The next couple, you know, next 2 or 3 either side is going to be pretty sketchy. They can actually fold the sheet and snap it, like snap the sheet in the middle. So I've got to be really careful. I have found that if you curl a sheet, like from the outsides and bend it, a U shape, it's going to be less like, you imagine a piece of paper, you want to make it curled so it doesn't just want to flip back like that. So keep it curled, push it up, put a heap of screws in it. Bob's your uncle. Good enough for a blind man on a 3-legged horse, they say. Oh, I think the heat's got to me. Look at that. And we're back for another day at Twisted Metal Customs Workshop. We have Neil Moy from Moy's Plumbing, Kalula Cove. I've roped him into it. Yesterday was a pretty stonker. Bloody hot. The black roof was radiating heat, so a couple of Milton mangoes last night quenched our thirst. But yeah, so today, what are we doing today? Ridge cap?
Ridge caps, gutters.
Gutters. Depends how much time we got. I've only got him for today left. So yeah, anyway, this is where we're at.